Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about AI image and video generator all-in-one AI platform, Rubbarband AI. And right here, this is going to be the landing page of Rubbarband AI. I was just using my dummy Google account to access this one, so you can do that as well. Now I know what you're thinking. Is there a black theme on this one? So I already checked, but sadly, there isn't as of now. I really hope that Rubbarband applies that one because I really don't like the light theme. Anyway, before we get started, once you're in here, select this option right there so you can check your credits, your generations, and workflows, and you can just basically log in and log out. Now let's check the pricing since we're talking about the tokens, and here they are. These are the yearly billing, and these are going to be the monthly. If you want to check the comparison, here's going to be the differences for the free, starter, pro, and standard, and of course enterprise. Alright, so these are going to be the features of one of each and the cost of each features. So I want you to go first on community because I want to show you the different generations created by the creators, which are going to be this one. Let's take a look at this. This is going to be style transfer. That's a pretty awesome photo, as you can see right there. Pretty cute, right? Let's check some more here. I'm gonna look for something a bit more out of the line. How about this one? Since it's gonna be the Christmas season, so without further ado, I wanna say Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Thank you so being watching the channel. Now that's gonna be a globe in a Christmas village. How awesome, right? Now let's look for one more thing here. How about let's look for something that's cartoon or a car? How about this one? Pretty awesome, right? So these are just samples you can create inside this AI. By the way guys, you can use them as a template. If you configure, you can check the number of images, text to image, color palette, and so much more here. So those are going to be the settings that you can try here. Going back in the home tab right there, you can connect this one on your Discord server. As you can see, there's a video and image option. Now let's talk about the settings inside the image. First thing you'll notice on the text to image, if I click at this one, you're going to have so much options. They're categorized per section. For example, you have generation, upscale image, remove object, editing platform for change object, change background, and analysis is discuss image. There's also style transfer for this one. If I click on the model options, you can choose which one, how many number of images you want. Aspect ratio, I think they only have 3 as of now. I'm gonna choose 16:9. And for the model, it will cost us 20 credits if we're gonna use Flux Pro. It generates 12 seconds. I loved that they give us an estimate on how many seconds it takes each of the model. Flux Schnell is gonna be free with 5 seconds generation. So I'm gonna choose Flux Pro here because I think I still have 80 credits. That's gonna be refilling every day. So for this one, I have prepared a simple prompt that I got from Midjourney. By the way guys, speaking of Midjourney, so please check them out. It's a really awesome tool. I have so much videos about it. And now if you can upload your images right there for references, but we're going to try that on the latter part. On this settings right here, again, you can use a concept model. But since we're using a Flux Pro, we don't have a concept model. If you want to use a concept model, choose the Flux Dev. For now, I'm going to go for Pro, and I think this is good enough. Everything is settled. I'm gonna click on answer for there. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. These are gonna be our images. And notice that the user interface for this one is just like talking to an AI. You're just having a conversation, right? So let's click on this one to make them enlarged. So this is the first one. Notice that there is 0 errors here. The fingers are okay. The eyes, the hair. Actually, I'm really amazed at how good this is. These are going to be the next examples. And perfectly right there. The first 3 are really consistent. If you're going to ask me, they all look the same. The fourth one is maybe a different angle. But the thing is, the quality is there. I'm going to download the first one because I really want it. And to download it, simply click on that button right there. And then to upscale it, you can click that one. Or just go to the drop down icon, you can edit and reply. Speaking of edit, if you click on Ask ROI to edit, that one right there, you can make sure to edit that one, just type in whatever you want there. But before we get into that one, I want to try a different example using the Flux Ultra, the highest model for the Flux option for this one. I'm gonna paste a new prompt there, and this costs, if I'm not mistaken, 28 credits. So I think this will cost us a lot because I still have around, let's just see, 60 credits here. So click on that one right there. Let me just remove that one. And I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. These are going to be our images using the best Flux model of this AI. This is Flux Ultra. And you'll notice that, again guys, I'm lost for words here. There are very minimal errors. To be honest, I don't see any errors for this. Now I'm just going to choose one here to download because I really like them. So that being said, let's go back on gallery because I want to show you something here. So on gallery, if you click on view all there, for example, you can see all of your generations. You can filter them depending on your looking, and if you click on them, you can view them on a much more larger scale. You can delete your generations, download, share it, or basically upscale one of each. If I click on this eye icon, these are going to be the prompt that was used in there, the value, the name, the aspect ratio, and the workflow that was used here. So since we are trying the Pro, the Ultra, might as well choose and try the free one, which is the Snell and the fastest one. So I'm gonna use a different prompt here. Click on answer. And I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Now, before I click and enlarge them, I just want to highlight that this is gonna be the free AI Flux. This is Flux Snell. And what I mean by free is you're gonna still have this kind of quality. They're really awesome, right? Imagine the details on this car. The color, the logo, even the headlights, everything here is close to perfect. How about this one? Even the number right there is here. The fog light, the wheels, everything is here. I'm gonna download that one because I like it. Again guys, you can generate this one for the Snell totally for free and faster. Perfect, right? Now before I continue for the next Flux here, notice that there is a get free credits here. If you follow them on X, Twitter, you're gonna get 25. Same goes for Discord. So that's gonna be 50 extra credits for your generations. So we have done Ultra. We're done with Pro, Snell. How about let's go for Dev? Dev costs us 8 credits and 15 seconds. And this is the one I mentioned earlier, which has this option right here, the select concept. Anyway, for that one, I have a new prompt there. It's a basic prompt rather than the one earlier. And then for this one, since the concept is still on beta phase, you still cannot choose one for now. But that is only applicable for the Flux Dev. Alright? So paste it right there. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. And these are going to be your images. Like, wow. I'm really amazed on how they look like. I'm going to download one here. I think the first one is the one to download here. Pretty awesome, right? Again guys, this is going to be under Flux Dev. And basically for that one, we have covered all the Flux models, which is going to be for other creators. And other AIs are quite inconsistent. But in Rubbarband, they're perfect. Like really perfect. Now, since we have covered most of the images or text image, I'm going to go back to home and go to video. Now the thing here is, all of the key players of the video generation rule is in here. For example, Gen 3 Alpha Turbo up to Tenshin Hunyan, Hyper, Kling, Minimax, everything here I've covered so far. So I'm gonna go with Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, which costs 30 credits and 35 seconds to finish. And then, aspect ratio, I'm gonna go for 16:9. For the seconds, I'm gonna remain as 5 seconds. For the concept model, for this one is I'm gonna go for none. Start frame, you can upload your very own photo or select from gallery. So for this one, I think I'm gonna go with this awesome car. Simply upload, and then for a short description of your video, a Mustang rolling in the streets. Something like that. And the best results here starts from the prompt. So if you want to have your best video results, support it with your prompt. So for example, I'm typing a Mustang rolling in the streets with smoke or white smoke on the background, neon streetlights. I'm just making sure everything is covered on the prompt and basically click on OK. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be awesome. Once you click generate, it will give you a timeline or video editing platform. This is still going to be inside the Rubbarband. So if I click on play here and preview, this is how it should look like. That is really awesome, guys. To make sure you enlighten it and enlarge it, you can just minimize that one and replay it. How perfect, right? You can add images, text, audio transitions for this one, just like any video editor. If you select on the frame, you can download the selected like so. You can split clip, and then basically have fun with it. Now, if you select your video right there, like so, this one right here, you're gonna have it on your computer. Pretty awesome, right? Take note that this started as an AI, from text to image and now a video. Go back to Rubbarband, click home, and you're back here. Again, if you want to view everything you've created, go to gallery, and then click on view all. You're gonna have your videos, images, and everything you've created. That is really awesome. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.